Welcome to AnbuZ HobbieZ. In today's tutorial, we're delving into the world of design patterns by exploring the adapter design pattern in Java. Imagine you have two systems that don't quite fit together. The adapter pattern acts as a bridge to make them work seamlessly. It's a powerful tool for achieving compatibility in your code. Before we jump into the example, let's grasp the core concept of the adapter pattern. This pattern allows incompatible interfaces to work together, acting as an intermediary between two different systems. It's like using an adapter to plug your device into a foreign power outlet, making things fit and function smoothly. To illustrate the adapter pattern, let's consider a real-world scenario. Imagine you have a phone charger with a European plug, but you're in a country with American outlets. You need an adapter to bridge the gap and charge your phone. In our Java code, we start by defining two interfaces, US plug and European phone charger. The US plug interface represents a US plug, while the European phone charger interface defines a European phone charger. We create a class, basic European phone charger, implementing the European phone charger interface. This charger has a plug method to indicate that it's designed for European outlets. To bridge the gap between our European charger and a US plug, we introduce the adapter class. This adapter implements the US plug interface, indicating that it can be used with a US plug. The adapter class takes an instance of the European phone charger as a parameter in its constructor. This way, the adapter knows which European charger it needs to work with. Now, in our main program, we create an instance of the basic European phone charger, simulating our European charger. Next, we create an adapter and pass the European charger to it. When we use the adapter and call its plugin method, it delegates the call to the European charger's plug method. This makes the European charger compatible with the US plug. When we run the code, you'll see that the European charger, connected via the adapter, functions as if it were compatible with a US plug. This is the essence of the adapter design pattern, bridging the gap between incompatible interfaces. It's like having an adapter for your electronics when you travel to different countries. The adapter pattern offers enhanced reusability and flexibility in integrating different systems. It allows us to work with legacy code and third-party libraries, ensuring that they harmonize with our new implementations. While the adapter pattern is powerful, it's crucial to understand when and how to use it. Be mindful of compatibility issues, and design your adapters thoughtfully. The adapter design pattern is a valuable tool in your software design arsenal, ensuring that your code components work together seamlessly. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the adapter pattern. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. Stay tuned for future videos on design patterns and Java programming.